Hello, everybody. Good evening. I'm Savi, and welcome to another live session of Real Talks with Sav, sponsored by Dapikani Passion for Fashion. And in today's episode, we have a very special guest with us, and more than special, she is somebody who is actually part of two very different fields together, from being a doctor to being an artist to being a professional at her work. She's also passionate about a lot of other things, and she is Dr. Surbhi Kakkar. She will be joining us very shortly. Okay, I have received her request. And hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining into these live sessions. I hope you guys enjoy these live sessions because I really have a great time presenting these to you. Hello, good evening, ma'am. How are you feeling?
Hi, Savi. So good. Thank you for having me on your show. You
It's a
look
pleasure
stunning,
to
by the
have
way.
you, ma'am. You look
Thank
lovely, and I'm so glad that you could make time for today's show. I know you're a doctor, you're extremely busy, and your work just keeps you, really on your toes all the time. But thank you so much for making time for today's show, ma'am.
Pleasure's all mine. Pleasure's all mine.
So today on Raw Talks with Sav, we have we have Dr. Surbhi Kakkar. I'm so sorry for that. Sponsored by the Apikani Passion for Fashion. And let me introduce you all to Dr. Surbhi. Although I know that all her fans who watched her on television are in complete awe of her beauty, and at the same time, you being an excellent professional at your work. Dr. Surbhi Kakkar is a dental surgeon and an executive MBA by profession and an actor by passion. She is a well-established dental practitioner in Delhi and completed her master's and is an expert in the root canal treatment and aesthetic dentistry. She is a well-known professional acumen and has worked formally in esteemed hospitals like Maulana Azad Institute of Dental Science, Ram Manohar Lohia, GTB Hospital, and so on. She has many national and international publications to her credit and has also authored a book on dental research which was published from Germany. But this is just one aspect, and she has a plethora of feathers to her hat with a keen passion to live life to the fullest. She is an actor by passion and has been a part of various famous ad campaigns like Honda Cars, Yatra.com, La Fresh and Go London, and so on. She has been a part of feature films like Matra, Muskurahate, A Daughter's Tale Punk, and several other short films on OTT platforms. She has been awarded with the Bharat Shri Award 2018 for her contribution in national development and community service, Yashasvi Gaurav Samman 2017, Big Entertainment Award by BJP Arts and Culture Cell Haryana 2015, and many more, so on, and the list can go on and on. It's a
You are
pleasure
kind.
to have you, ma'am, and thank you so much for making time for today's show. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good, and I love your caption which says you're a bit of everything.
Oh,
That
thank you
reminds me of
so much.
me. Yeah.
And I hope that in today's live you will experience a bit of everything with me.
So
But
looking forward to it.
it's a pleasure to have you. And normally it was very different for me when I read about you and when I saw that you're a dentist and then you're an actor by passion. And clearly you have so much love for your passion, and you take time to really make sure that you are also living your life to the fullest by with being a doctor. It's really difficult because you have to dedicate a certain amount of time to your career and to the all the things that you do on your regular basis. But apart from that, you've been able to make time for things that you're passionate about. And I think that is something that a lot of people will get really motivated by seeing, and they'll be really inspired by looking at you and your journey. um, so the first question for today is that now I know that you're a doctor, and normally ऐसा होता है, हम देखते हैं कि लोग ऐसे कहते हैं कि इंजीनियर का बेटा है तो उसके पापा चाहते हैं कि वो इंजीनियर बने, डॉक्टर है तो चाहते हैं कि बेटा बेटी इंजीनियर फील्ड में जाए, टीचर बने. So was it similar with you, like, because you come from a family of very renowned doctors? Was it ever like, did you ever have a pressure that you have to be a doctor, or you just willingly wanted to be a part of this fraternity?
So I'd like to say, I think I'll just talk a bit about my background here. So
Yeah.
I've been blessed to be born to two legendary doctors. My daddy was an ENT surgeon and my mother a gynecologist. So I, being a dentist, was stuck somewhere in between. But to be honest, yes, jokes apart, I myself wanted to be a part of the fraternity and follow their steps. There
Yeah.
are other doctors in the family as well, and there's an upbringing, aisa mahal hota hai, and you are raised in a certain way. So I had it in mind, but I was always very creatively inclined, and I think the biggest challenge or something that used to give me a kick was to explore my potentials to the fullest. I used to
Yes,
try that.
absolutely.
And being creatively inclined, I'd like to just add something. We people don't understand. We understand, okay, focusing in one area, but we somehow, okay, talking about, for example, your neurons.
Yeah.
We are 100 billion neurons in our brain, each having a potential of or a storage capacity of 8 GB.
Wow.
मैं एक न्यूरॉन की बात कर रही हूँ. So imagine multiply that into 100 billion. Can you imagine the capacity a human brain has? And
It's
we probably,
unreal.
yeah, we just stick to one particular
Yeah,
thing in life. I think there's so much to explore. The more
of course.
I'm talking about myself, the more I dive, I feel the deeper I get. It's less. The more is less
Absolutely.
in my book. So yes, I'm enjoying this creative side as well, and I enjoy my profession thoroughly.
Yeah.
That's what my family wanted me to become. They wanted me to become a doctor. So I'm fulfilling their dream, but then I'm fulfilling mine as well, my passion as well. I'm enjoying acting a lot. Yeah.
That's great. That's lovely. But it's actually you're breaking the normal notion and the normal norm that people think about, when they think about professionals who are part of such sensitive fields like, being doctors. They don't really imagine them as, somebody who will also be inclined towards something else, like a total different field like entertainment, or why just entertainment, even sports for that matter. You people just don't think that. But you've really broken that norm, and we know that, there's a lot of time that you might have invested into becoming as good a doctor that you are today, and treating all the people that you are. But how did your journey start into this career? Like, how did you choose acting, or did it choose you?
No, okay. So, because it's showbiz, I think that's why it comes to the forefront. I was talking
Yeah.
about being creatively inclined and doing something else. We have something in common. I've been seeing your dancing videos since
Yeah.
yesterday, and they're fabulous. So,
Thank you.
yeah, and I've been into dancing. I was with Katie under him, so I'm an advanced level Latin American
Latin
dancer.
American dancer, yes.
Yes, then apart from that, I've been into pistol shooting, done my state championship. Professionally, I used to play pool and snooker at one point of time, done a lot of tournaments. And other than that, yes, sketching. But because it is showbiz, वो दिखता है लोगों को. Not many
Absolutely.
people take interest in the other side. But yes, acting ka bhi I'm equally dedicated, I'm equally passionate, and it's all about how you prioritize. I was lucky, where thankfully I have a great team who takes care of things back at clinic when I am away. That gives me my wings, and I'm able to fly high, I would say.
Absolutely.
Thanks to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really important, it's really important to actually appreciate the people who are around you and are actually working, to help you, because a person alone by themselves can't do so much. So, all the people who are helping you and the people who help other individuals get where they are today, they also play a
Exactly.
very vital role in a person's life. Yeah, it's great that you mentioned and you talked about them. Um, but were you always inclined? Like, did you always know that you wanted to be an actor, or was it a time where you got a chance to,
Okay, so
explore this field?
yeah, so I had people walking in, from the media industry that ठीक कराने के लिए they used to come to my clinic. But
Yeah.
then one fine day just started that, often I used to be floored with certain compliments. You are very photogenic. Why don't you give it a try? Doctor, how
Yeah.
about modeling? Then people from advertising agencies used to come in. And I used to just receive the compliment with a smile and not think about it further till one fine day somebody else suggested that, I'm going for an audition for an ad
Yeah.
film. Why don't you, if I'm the last patient and you're shutting off the clinic, why don't
Clinic.
you come along? It would be fun.
Yeah.
I would say that was a turning point. There was no looking back. Went for the audition, bagged the ad, and yippee! And there was no looking back after that. I was enjoying every bit of it,
Yeah.
and I didn't realize. So I'm not a trained actor. I think there was a spark that was inside, and somebody had to just pull it out
Yeah.
from inside. Yeah.
That's great. That's great. So yeah, I mean, it was somewhere, it was like a hidden talent of yours, which just came to light, and then when one fine day you got the chance to explore more, so you just went ahead with it, and with God's grace, we have such a beautiful actress now, and we get to see you very often on the television. So it's a pleasure to watch you.
Thank you.
But ever, like, I know, like, people who might have been your clients for a while now, they might know the other side of you as well, that you're an actor, and you're a dentist by profession. Is it ever is there ever a point where somebody walks into your clinic for the first time, and they look at you, and they're like, and they look at the the person they've come along with, and they say, I think I saw her like in a Honda ad or something, and like, and they just are very hesitant to ask you, but do you like ever get that you're working here as a dentist, but I think I saw you on the television, I don't know if I'm right or wrong?
That's there. That's less. But what's more is certain gentlemen with their fan moments. They come up. They they take appointments. They
Yeah.
come for the checkups, but
Mhm.
they open up after the appointment is done. It's all done. Then they come up
Yeah.
and say, "कि actually, ma'am, आपको इसमें देखा था या इस फिल्म में देखा था," and I've been a huge. It just goes on.
Yeah.
Huge fan. So this has happened a couple of times. They're just kind. So many times I feel I probably don't even deserve that bit. They are extra kind, I would say. Very
But
sweet of them.
I'm sure that they all think, and we all think, that you definitely deserve the bit, because you've managed to be a part of two very different fields simultaneously, and have excelled exceptionally in both of them. And you have been really appreciated for all your work that you've done, be it in the field of dentistry or as an actor. So of course, you definitely deserve all the appreciation that you're getting. But you've written a lot of research papers and articles, and I'm sure it's also like, since you're a professional and you're at the position that you can educate people um, about your studies, how did you think about writing a book about it, the dental research book that was published in Germany? How did you think about it?
It's definitely a big thanks to my colleagues and my teachers, I would say.
Yeah.
It was the book was basically my dissertation, my library dissertation
Okay.
topic, and I went on to intensively studying about it, and then definitely a lot of help from my colleagues and teachers made it happen.
Okay, that's beautiful. And thank you, everybody. I will just have to take a little time to thank everybody who has joined the live today. And they're all appreciating your beauty, ma'am, which goes without saying.
Thank
And they're
you,
all here
thank you.
saying that you're a wonderful doctor, and that you're an amazing. I'm the.
आपको
Uh,
हिंदी नहीं आती, हिंदी आती है।
हाँ
हिंदी
बिल्कुल,
में बात
हमें
करेंगे।
बहुत अच्छे से
बिल्कुल,
हिंदी आती है, हम हिंदी में भी
बिल्कुल।
वार्तालाप कर सकते हैं अगर आप चाहें, हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
बिल्कुल।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हम बहुत अच्छी हिंदी बोल सकते हैं। ओके, मास्टर ब्लास्टर, वेरी वेरी नाइस, सुरभि मैम, शी इज अ मास्टर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, एक्ट्रेस डिजायर सेज दैट. Okay, thank you everybody who's joined in the live today, and it's a pleasure to have you. Now, acting, dancing, writing, we've all seen you do all these things, and you even spoke about them. But in the beginning, you also said that you've been inclined into playing polo, and you've been inclined into playing other sports. Do you still get any time to, continue playing any of these sports? Or is there
नहीं,
anything that you just watch and you like watching, any sport?
so I enjoy spending my time doing varied stuff. I'm fond of reading. I like reading. I like gardening, and I think it's very gratifying and satisfying just watching the plants and the flower bloom and grow. It's a different kind of a high, I would say, and I think everybody should get into it. That's the best way to heal yourself, I feel.
Yeah.
One is that, then catching up with so many good series on thanks
Of
to
course.
Netflix, Amazon. And yes, I'm fond of cooking as well, so I do a bit of that at home. And what else? Dancing,
Yeah, I mean
you.
these are things that
Yeah.
absolutely that just हमें एनर्जी मिलती है ये चीजें करके, तो ये काफी जरूरी होती है करना. So
But most important that I think I'm started with this journey, which is on health and lifestyle modification, because I think सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट जो हम अपना हिंदी में
जी
सबसे बड़ा
बिल्कुल
गिफ्ट
हिंदी में, हाँ जी.
सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट जो हम अपने आप को दे सकते हैं या किसी और को दे सकते हैं इज गुड हेल्थ.
जी
एंड ये पैंडमिक से बड़ा ऐसा कोई नहीं है, ऐसा आई वुड से क्राइसिस जिसमें हमें इस चीज के बारे में वी हैव गॉट अ इनसाइट ऑन दिस कि हाँ कितनी जरूरी है आपके लिए हेल्थ, कितनी जरूरी है आपके लिए
बिल्कुल
इम्यूनिटी. तो
जी.
आई थिंक माई जर्नी स्टार्टेड. इट्स आई थोड़ा बहुत एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, बट there is a lot of fights that our body internally is doing which we don't see, and
Absolutely.
we only see when it breaks down. तो उसको मौका ही मत दो ना. मतलब you start taking care of your things. For example, the right kind of proteins, we think that we are having a well balanced diet, but it's not true. The amount of daily intake which we should all have, we are not having. The right kind
Yeah.
of exercise according to a BMI, we are not doing. So बहुत सारी चीजें. So that journey is on as well, and I'm happy to be on that.
Yeah, and I think काफी जरूरी है ये चीजें, but while we're still on this topic and हम बात ही कर रहे हैं about corona and the pandemic and everything, I know काफी मुश्किल हो सकता है, काफी difficult हो सकता है for people to try to stay positive and have a balanced mental health. But what do you have to say about how do you think people can stay positive? I mean, it's important to think about find other things to do, find your passions. But how do you think that people can really stay positive?
आपने बहुत अच्छा point बताया, and I think it's a great medium for me to share what I think about it.
Yeah.
See, amidst the pandemic, it's very hard to even imagine or fathom having a positive start to your day.
Yeah.
There are people who are juggling with stress, anxiety, a lot of depression as well. There are studies which we all know, and I'm sure you've also read, where
Yes.
it is shown that there is the positive attitude in a person has a very positive bearing or impact on the entire physical health bolo ya mental health bolo aap kisi ki. And I strongly believe to remain positive, you have to challenge yourself every day to stay away from the negative, I would say, affirmations.
Yeah.
And also instill a positive attitude in others around you, which is very important. I know it's difficult. It's easier said than done, but it's not impossible.
Absolutely.
How I tell people around me, सबसे पहले limit your intake. When I say limit your intake, I am talking about media. I'm talking about
Yeah.
television. I'm talking
Yes.
about
The consumption of what you're watching and reading.
Imagine it is very important to remain abreast with what's happening around the world, what's happening in your country, what's in the news.
Yeah.
But there are people I know who have it on for good couple of hours or maybe 24 hours also देखने के लिए. What they don't understand, I saw a beautiful video on this. उसमें था that we watch programs thinking that we're just watching it. What happens is those programs are actually programming you. They are
Absolutely.
programming your values, your beliefs, your ideas, your decision-making capacities. The narrative, or for example, I'm talking about news itself.
Yeah,
It's
somewhere they start they take control of your subconscious mind, and then you just don't
not
know
only
what's
that.
happening.
Not
Yeah.
only that. What I want to share is that the narrative is controlled to
Yeah.
create a certain amount of fear or uncertainty or doubt in you, because our mind is actually wired to react to that fears, and that it's that
Absolutely.
fear which gets converted into sadly. So
Yeah.
I would say limit your time. Limit your time. That's important. Laughing is a great. Laughter is the best medicine. इससे अच्छा मौका नहीं मिलेगा आपको आपके घर वालों के साथ बैठने का and गिले शिकवे दूर करने का
बिल्कुल.
and having a healthy debate with your family अगर हो भी जाती है तो. That would be very nice. Then try to work on your strength. जो चीजें which you keep, uh, which you have a love for, inherent love for, or maybe you've been procrastinating कि हाँ भाई करेंगे और करने को time
Especially
नहीं
now that
मिलता.
you have so much time on your hand, you can
हाँ.
really polish those skills.
Yeah, and I also believe less is more. So anything that doesn't give you joy, please get rid of it. For a simple thing like cleaning up your house, what happens with it is you don't realize how it affects your subconscious. When you're cleaning your house, it also declutters your mind in a way. So that's a good thing. Learning for one. I talked about reading, I talked about gardening. These are new things to me. I wasn't doing it earlier. Other than reading my textbooks and my my dentistry related books, but I'm enjoying it so much, and I feel there's a very well known saying which Steve Jobs says that try to learn continually, because what happens is there's always one more thing to learn. And learning, I would say the capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill.
Absolutely.
And the willingness to learn is a choice. So it would be great if you all make those choices, and that would be the right choice, and it will help you stay positive and create a positive atmosphere around you as well.
Yeah, very well said. And I think this is a great message that you've shared with the people who are watching the live and hopefully will come across this live. Actress Rizaya says, thank you so much for conducting this live, and please upload it on the IGTV. All my live sessions are uploaded on the IGTV, so you can always come back and see in case you missed any part. But I think I really like the fact that, being a professional, being a dentist, you have really, you have made the effort to effortlessly serve people. Like, you've been associated with these free dental camps and these free dental checkups, and the fact that you know that you have all of this influence as an artist and as an actor, you use that influence and to promote good causes, like you stand really tall when you talk about animal awareness and animal health. What are your views about this? Because I feel like in the current situation, when we talk about, when we look at these street animals and these stray animals, we know that they're really struggling for even the basic necessities. Is there any message that you would like to give to all the viewers today?
Yes, thanks for asking this one. I would say that we know animals, they can't speak for themselves. And one thing that we all know somewhere deep down inside is that they define unconditional love. They need to be fed like you and me. They have a stomach too, which needs to be fed. Pandemic के time में ये हुआ था that I was myself watching, so I feed quite a few stray, जिसमें cats है, kittens है, dogs है, birds है, crows, sparrows, all of them. So, and again, it's very gratifying to understand their language, their world. Again, healing वाली बात जो मैंने आपको plants के बारे में की थी, यहाँ पर भी if you try to give it time and this is the right time, it's beautiful how they all go about. मेरी तो international family है, जो stray dogs है, when I snore, they snore with me. They snore.
That is so cute.
Yeah. And all of them come in the morning wagging their tails. They understand when I say good morning. Oh, they go,
Yeah, and you've been able to build that connect with them, and I think it's beautiful. And जैसे आपने बोला कि बेजुबान है, हम वो नहीं बता सकते कि उन्हें कितनी दिक्कत है, बट अगर आपके घरों के आसपास भी कोई भी ऐसे स्ट्रे एनिमल्स है, कोई भी ऐसे एनिमल्स है जो आपको लगता है कि उन्हें हेल्प की जरूरत है, तो प्लीज फीड देम. इट्स रियली, it's just a good deed a day. It's just a good deed a day. Yeah.
I would also urge, because what happens is जैसे अभी तूफान आया, बारिश आई, so we normally tend to shoo them away. I would say वो थोड़ी देर के लिए till it doesn't settle down, we can just let them be inside and then maybe see what is to be done. But during that time, you should be kind. That's what humans are for. The humane comes from the human, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So I think all of us should be.
So there's a message. She says, I'm in love. Okay, wow, that's like a really trendy, I don't know, that's like a very different name. Okay, so he asks, Ma'am, how does it feel to earn so many
It's a
awards,
he or a
accolades
she.
in both worlds?
It's a lovely feeling. I think
Yeah.
I couldn't feel more blessed. There's a lot of gratitude inside, and I think that's how it should be. It
Yeah.
should be. Yeah.
Absolutely. And yeah, like I said in the beginning, that all the recognition that you've got it for all the hard work that you've put in. Anil Kalaji says, well said, ma'am. She's a very talented person. Surbhi ji is a very talented doctor
Thank you,
and an
Anil. Thank you.
individual. Yeah.
Thank you.
But in this time, I know that you have been really working very hard, and you were also awarded with the Corona Yodha Award. Is there something that you would like to say about this? Must have
Okay.
been a beautiful feeling.
Beautiful feeling, yes. And what amazes me is how everybody was putting their bit. I mean, it is not about one certification. I was seeing just everybody slowly looking at each other, or maybe, inspired on their own, would come join the various volunteer groups which were floating around and doing their bit in all resource management to procuring, uh, tiffin services or oxygen seva, or
Yes.
maybe figuring out and verifying the beds so that the patients do not,
Yeah.
get entangled into that, and their valuable time is not lost. So all of it I've seen, and there are too many people involved. Plasma donations, blood donations, some fabulous work going on, and
Absolutely.
yeah. So I was very lucky to be a part of 5 different volunteer groups, and I was trying to do my bit as
Wow.
well. And apart from the medical consultations that I was taking online, which was for free, but I wouldn't pat myself. I was amazed at how people from different stratas would come forward and do
And
much
help.
more than.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So that's also another important thing, to be positive. You can extend a helping hand. It can be either
Absolutely.
by, yeah, it can be either by physical means, जैसे कि ये है volunteer groups, or it can be just the emotional support. There's
Yeah.
so many of them who are juggling, like I mentioned, शुरू में anxiety हो गया, stress हो गई, depression हो गई. You can just lend an emotional support. How much time does it
Absolutely.
take you there? Yeah, and how much
Yeah.
does,
Even like just lending a year for them to, went out, and that is also like a big, big thing that you can do. That's great. But
we
now,
don't realize it. We don't realize it. Like
absolutely.
one of the, I think, biggest attributes is the power of listening that you can have.
Yeah.
Like you are listening. You're a wonderful host.
Thank you so much. Coming from you
Yeah.
means a lot. Thank you so much. You're so talented, and you think that I am a good host. That means a lot to me.
Yeah.
um, now, but dentist को मतलब in my opinion, I feel like जब भी हम dentist के बारे में सोचते हैं ना, तो ऐसे एकदम दांत में दर्द या कोई ऐसा एकदम थॉट या इमेज एकदम ऐसे आ जाती है ना दिमाग में, ऐसे मुंह खोल के कोई लेटा हुआ है. So, but when people come to you and when they talk to you about oral hygiene and oral health, what are the common misconceptions you think people often have when they talk about oral hygiene?
Okay. I would say I would combine tips also into it.
Yes, please do.
There are a lot of people. I'll keep it short and crisp. There are a lot of people who come brushing just once a day. दो बारी नहीं करते हैं. So you
Yeah.
need to understand कि दो बारी करना जरूरी है. आप सुबह भी करेंगे, आप रात को भी करेंगे. And the brush that you're using has to be soft. Hard नहीं होना है. One of the major misconception is that people tend to brush hard,
Yeah.
and they think कि हाँ भाई सफेदी की झनकार अब बिल्कुल स्पार्कल करेंगे हमारे दांत. वो उल्टा होता है. वो जो आपका जो whiteness है, that comes from the topmost layer, which is very strong, which is the enamel. जब
Yeah.
आप उसको जोर से हार्ड तरीके से उसको रगड़ते हैं, तो what happens is it abrades. So नीचे
Okay.
जो second layer है, that comes forward, which is yellow in color, dentine. So लेने के देने हो जाते हैं फिर. So I would suggest that they should use soft brush and
Yeah.
brush twice a day. And even if you've had a nice night and gone out with friends and sozzled or whatever, don't find excuses. Just barely takes 2 minutes. ये 2 minute वाला point बहुत जरूरी है.
Yeah.
Initially, if you have to get used to it, 2 minute बोल रही हूँ, 2 minute hardly. Very few people would do it, but you must. मे बी आप अपना पसंदीदा कोई गाना लगा लो 2 मिनट के लिए, या आप आर ग्लास लगा लो.
Yeah.
इट विल टेक, body is very adaptive. It will
Yeah.
adapt very soon. एक हफ्ते के अंदर you will realize, once you're doing it, you're timing yourself. After a week or so, you'll not need anything. You are already conditioned
Yeah,
कि हाँ
it's
भाई 2
already
मिनट मेरे को
functional in
देना है.
your brain that yeah, you have to do
फ्लॉसिंग
it.
जरूरी है, बिल्कुल फ्लॉसिंग जरूरी है. नुक्सन क्रेनी, डू विजिट योर डेंटिस्ट. डेंटिस्ट इज नो हवा, सो नो टू हॉर्न्स.
Yeah.
I wish I had, but no, just can't be
We
here,
have
no
such
horn.
beautiful dentists. Why have we guys not been visiting the dentist more?
Yeah, exactly.
What's up?
So 2 minutes and regular brushing and sticky carbohydrates अगर आप लेते हैं तो just brush in between as well. The paste that you're using should be a fluoridated paste because उसके अंदर जो fluoride it mixes decay further,
Yeah.
which is resistant to decay as compared to any other लाल पीला नीला गुलाबी हरा दंत कांति वंत कांति या बीको टर्मरिक और लाल दंत मंजन, which is nicely used by some women used to come when I used to be in Maulana Azad. They used to say कि सर में दर्द होता है and मैं ये लाल दंत मंजन करती हूँ and उसके बाद सर दर्द चला जाता है. So these things, some of them have certain addictive factors which are put into it, and they're highly abrasive. Even something like लाल दंत मंजन तो है ही है. मतलब there's so many people who used to come and eventually needing a root canal treatment because पहली परत भी गल गई, दूसरी वाली भी अपग्रेड हो गई, and you could see the yeah. So it was bad, and ठंडा गरम फिर लगता है because then you have the nerve
sensitivity
ending.
का जो problem होता है वो इससे होता है. Okay.
So fluoridated paste, please, I request everybody to have that, and twice a year. ज्यादा नहीं तो आ ही सकते हो आप मेरे पास साल में 2 बार.
बिल्कुल. हम उसी पे आ रहे थे कि please visit a dentist. Apart from all the jokes that we're cracking here, it is extremely important कि आप dentist के पास जाएं and check करवाएं. It's your teeth, literally like the bright smile that you keep on showing here and there, is extremely important to keep that bright smile intact. वरना एक एक करके दांत गिर जाएंगे सारे.
I would say who better than you would understand. It is a cornerstone of any social interaction.
Yes.
It's very important. अच्छा, एक और चीज जैसे for example आप you just recovered from corona or any other disease, it's better to change your brush. It's important.
That was a great thing that you said. There was a question regarding it, and there's also another question that I'd like to take. Yeah.
Also, once in 3 to 4 months, anyways, you please change your brush. The fibers जो आपके toothbrush के हैं, nylon fibers, they tend to fray after some time. So before that happens, you change it.
Yeah. So there was another question, and they say in case of during COVID or post COVID, teeth में कोई problem case, like teeth में कोई problem हो जाए तो क्या कर सकते हैं? Like, because you can't physically, even now at the moment, you can't physically go to the dentist. And अगर लोगों को कोई sensitivity या फिर कोई इस type का problem हो रहा है, is there anything that they can do घर पे?
Yeah. So there are people like me who are doing teleconsultation. So you can definitely get in touch and we'll help you regarding that, whether it's a desensitizing paste that we'll, suggest, or maybe some medication that is required to at least give a symptomatic relief to you जब तक ये the numbers don't settle down, which is actually now settling down.
Yeah.
And then you can probably visit at the clinic and get your treatment done. So you can do that.
Yeah, that's great. That's wonderful. But हम normally toothpaste की ad, this is a very personal question. हम normally toothpaste की ad देखते हैं, and there are some brands which they have the tagline कि आपके toothpaste में नमक है. What is the whole relation with this कि आपके toothpaste में नमक है? What's the importance of this?
Actually, no. Namak bhi, and there are other things also. I don't want to get into, the gimmicks of it, but yeah, not anything which is quite relevant.
Yeah, okay. So it's just there to, make it seem catchy and different than the other brands.
A simple fluoridated paste would do wonders, whether it's Colgate, Oral-B, Pepsodent. I'm not endorsing any brand here, but yeah, fluoridated paste would. किसी ने बहुत अच्छा सा मैसेज किया, एंडोडोंटिस ये है वो, मैं आगे का वर्ड नहीं बोलूंगी, but the thing is, MBA इसलिए करी थी because there is a venture in mind that I'm planning to come up with, and there were so many nuances that I felt that I'm lacking in, and I needed to gain expertise in that, and that was the reason why I did my MBA in health administration, hospital administration from
Okay.
FMS Delhi.
Yeah, that's amazing. And it's important, like, you know, like you said, you can always keep on learning and getting better at what you do. And
Exactly.
it's extremely important to keep getting better at what you're doing, because what's the point of, you know, having all this capacity to learn and to get all this information and still be somebody who's just sticking to that one similar routine and not moving forward in life. And
It's very mundane, and how do you
yeah,
keep yourself more excited? Why are you looking at sources outside कि हाँ इसके साथ जाओ, इसके साथ घूमो, ये करो, वो ऐसा करेगा, वो
absolutely.
entertain करेगा मुझे? No, you yourself, please understand, you are the entire cosmos enveloped into one. The more you explore, the more interesting it gets. So do it,
Of course.
I would say.
And do
Yeah.
it for your own betterment. Do it for your own set of skills to, you know, get better and enhance and be good at what you do and be the
And be
best at
your
what you
own,
do.
absolutely be your best version. And
Yes.
second, don't try to run a race and try to compete with people around you. Compete with yourself. Have your
Of course.
bar there and try to cross it. Be a better version every single day. It's your fight with yourself, and you love it. You love it.
Absolutely.
Being your best version, yes.
Yeah. Now, there was another question where somebody asked that what was it like the first time that you ever went on a stage?
Okay, so that was very funny. हंस लेना थोड़ा सा. So this was in Amritsar, and I started giving my interstate presentation as early as my fourth year in college.
Yeah.
So I had gone with my vice principal that time, and it was a very interesting topic we had to talk about. And I, being a foodie, मैंने वहाँ पे छोले भटूरे खा लिए और इतना बड़ा लंबा लस्सी का ग्लास पी लिया, एंड उसके बाद मेरी ही प्रेजेंटेशन से पहले आई एम स्लीपिंग
Oh,
where my vice principal had to shake me up. No, but I thankfully I spoke well and it was applauded. But I still can't forget that he literally had to shake me up. कि उठो उठो तुम्हारा stage पे जाना है तुम्हें. But there
yeah.
has been thankfully no stage fright for the same reason, and that confidence is there because I started doing it quite early in my life. So which has also helped me in acting. You know, that stage fear
Yeah.
is not there.
Absolutely, and I think that's really important, like, you know, to be able to build that bond with the you know, the stage and the audience. You have to, you know, if you have to be somebody who's associated to this field of acting and art, you have to be a people lover. You have to be somebody who enjoys the company of other people. That's something extremely important, especially for
Correct.
artists, I feel. So it
Yeah.
was lovely to have you on our show, and I am extremely thankful that you could make time for today's show and that you, you know, you took out this time to share all these thoughts and all these. You know, all these things that you've been associated to, and I'm sure that people who will come across this live will get a lot of inspiration and motivation by listening to you and everything that you've done. And you still have a lot more to achieve, and I hope that you achieve all that you've been thinking about. But
Thank
anything
you
that you
so
would
much.
like to say about today's show?
Yes, I think it's a great medium to spread awareness, which you're already doing fantastically. You, for one person, I would say, you're extremely confident, very entertaining as a host. मैंने सिर्फ अपना नहीं, आपके पिछले वाले भी देखे हैं
Lovely.
episode. So very entertaining. You're a very good listener as well, which is very important. You make your guests feel very special and wanted, and you just did that, and I'm happy about it. And yes, you keep it very short, crisp, easy, which is I think one of the very important ingredients when you're hosting a show. So kudos, brilliant
Thank
job.
you so much for your lovely and your kind words. Really made me feel very special, and I hope that I could do the same. Thank you so much for being a part of today's show. And this show was sponsored by the Apikani Passion for Fashion. Stay tuned to more episodes of Real Talks with Sap. Thank you so much. Good evening, ma'am.
A special thank you to Anil
Of
Kalaji
course.
for yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, all
Thank
of
you,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, all you lovely people, thank you so much for tuning into today's live session. I hope that you guys have been enjoying the live session so far. The live sessions will be uploaded on my IGTV. As always, you can always come back and check them out. In case you missed any part, feel free to share them on the stories so that more people can reach out and more people can, come across these live sessions and they can feel the entertainment that you guys see every day, every now and then. Today's show was sponsored by the Apikani Passion for Fashion. Thank you so much for tuning into Real Talks with Sav. Signing off, this is Savvy. Have a great evening.